Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. This is going to be the last video of our series, which is called Image Generator using OpenAI API and Laravel. So basically what we are trying to create an image generator so that a user can input his imagination and select a size from the form, and when the user will click on the generate image, it will generate an image based on the text or imagination of the user. So what we have done this so far, and we had created this form. I would highly suggest you to follow each and every video from the beginning and follow the playlist, and then come here, because this is going to be the last video. And I will also provide my GitHub repository link so that you can easily clone the project. Also, I will make a short video of that, how you can clone the project and run the project using the Git repo. Okay, so let's go back to our code. I've already opened my let's see what actually happens if we click on the generate image. A blue sky with bars. I'm giving this text and selected the size, which is medium, then generate image. Okay, it's taking some time, and you can see the error view show image not found. So we have to create a path for the image show, and that is the most simplest work. Okay, I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. Okay, this is the image controller. We had done this before, and you can see I guess there was some typo here in my previous video. When I opened the code, I saw that there is two image, one variable with the same name. Then I had to change it to image2, so that make sure you had two different variables here and two different name here. Okay, and also there is a you get an error, which is you may see there this data is undefined array. Okay, so how to solve that? If you want to solve that error, you have to regenerate the OpenAI API key. Okay, basically you will see a API key here in the env file, and you have to regenerate that. How you can regenerate it? Go to your OpenAI API account and create a new secret key. Then you can simply copy that and paste it here. It will work perfectly. Okay, now let's get back to this video part. Okay, what we have to do is we have to create a file, views, and in these views we have to create a file which is called image show.blade.php. Let me check our welcome.blade.php file. Okay, and we are using a name here which is image.generate. Now let's check our web.php file. You can see that image.generate file is image show path is showing here, and the name image.generate, and in our image controller we are returning the view show image. So this is the Blade template name, show image, but I have created the file image show, so I'm going to change it here, image show. Okay, perfect. Now let's start from here. I would like to copy the first two parts, extents and section, so simply copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy all the things and paste it here. Then inside the main section, I'm going to remove all the things. Okay, now let's create the image show structure. First we have to create the section here, and we will give a class. I'm going to use text center. Then we have to create a container, row. Make sure the row is justify content center supported. Justify content center. Then we have to create column. Basically I'm going to give column 4, and I would like to create another column .4. Perfect. In this column we will give a heading called h5, and this will be our image 1. Then I'm going to use figure and image. Okay, then we have to let's print the text as well. So this is going to be our text. Okay, fine. And now this is the closing of the div. Just simply copy this one and paste it here, but the heading will be image 2. Okay, perfect. Now we have to print the image. Actually we have to show the image. To show the image we have to make sure image 1 here, and if you want to use any alt you can use, but okay, let's give alt. Go to the image controller, and where is our description? Actually this is our description, so we have to copy this one and paste it here. This is our alt, and I'm going to use the class which is bootstrapped by default image fluid. Okay, image thumbnail will be better. Okay, and also the description will be shown here. Let's copy and paste and check it. Cat with a dog, medium size, generate image. You can see our image is showing perfectly here, a cat with a dog. Okay, now we have to print, or we have to show the second image as well. Very simple work. Just write down image 2, sorry, and the alt will be description as well. Copy it, paste it here. Basically the description will be same, so you can print it once. And now reload the page. Okay, image 2 is also showing, but this is showing in the big size. Doesn't matter, you can select the size as well. Okay, so what we have to do, container row. Okay, now we would like to create two different button for the image show part, and I'm going to use deflex. My bad. It's not working. Okay, D. Now it will work. Okay, deflex and justify content center. Justify content center. Now the button will be here, first button, and we are going to use a class btn secondary, and the button will be, what will be the name of this button? Reload. Okay, not reload, regenerate. And we are going to use on click function here. Window dot location dot reload. Perfect. Okay, now the second button. Okay, we are going to use a hyperlink here because hyperlink will be more easier for this button. I'm going to use a route, and the route will be welcome homepage. Make sure to give a class here as well, btn danger. Okay, let's see what happens now. A cat with a mouse. I'm going to use medium size and generate image. Okay, perfect. I guess there is something wrong with this description. Okay, I forgot to give the curly bracket. I'm not going to restyle this because I'm going to provide the GitHub repository already, so you can easily copy that and clone that project. I think there is a typo for the image 2 section, but I'm not going to solve it right now. And if you click on the regenerate button, you can style it by using center elements. The images are not in center, as you can see. The regenerate button is working perfectly, and if we go back to home, it's fine. Okay, that's it.